So what do you choose? Flash photography or natural light photography? Discover the best lighting technique. Have your camera and let's get started. Understanding flash photography. So, flash photography. Flash photography, as the name suggests, is artificial lighting that can illuminate the subject. It gives you full control over the lighting conditions regardless of the environment. So let's get started on some of the advantages that comes from flash photography. With flash photography, you have the power to control and shape light to match your creative vision. You can adjust the direction, the intensity, and also the color temperature of the flash to capture stunning portraits or freeze fast-moving objects. So now let's start talking about natural light photography. So this technique solely relies on the available light outside. So let's get into some advantages of this. Authenticity. Natural light can create a beautiful, soft and organic look to your photos. It can add a sense of realism and enhance the mood and atmosphere of your subject. Shooting in natural light allows you to be working in different lighting conditions, such as golden hour, which is in the evening when the sun is going down, so you get nice goldeny textures and feel to your images, and blue hour, which is when the sun is going up, so you can get a different lighting feel from that as well. Or you can diffuse light through the clouds. You can experiment with different angles and different positions to create a very unique and captivating shot. However, for an outdoor portrait session, natural lighting can provide a more genuine and flattering result. So what should you choose? Well, it depends on the specific situation and the kind of outcome you want from this. So let's discuss some scenarios. Unlike natural light that can vary throughout the day, flash photography provides you with consistent lighting conditions. This makes it ideal for studio setups or indoor shoots where you need a specific kind of result. Also, flash photography can come in handy for cafe or bar photography as it's a lot darker, so it helps capture the subject. In low light situations, flash photography can be a lifesaver. It helps you capture crisp images without compromising the quality. However, for ceremonies or more intimate moments, relying on natural light is usually your best option to capture more of a natural feel. And there you have it, photographers. Natural light photography and flash photography. They both offer up unique advantages. So the choice completely comes down to you on which type of photography you prefer, or if you prefer flash or if you prefer natural light. It's completely up to you which type of photography you prefer to use, and also comes down to the specific shooting conditions that you have. But the most important thing is to practice and experiment while you're capturing them unforgettable memories. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you're updated on my next photography tips and tricks video. And feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until then, keep clicking and keep creating. Happy shooting.